Hey guys, today we are trying some new lashes. I got these from Kiss. They are called the Press-On Falsies. So they are not individual lashes, they are clusters, and they don't go into your lashes. You would hear them underneath your lashes. So I'm excited to try these. They're different than a strip, they're different than individuals. They're not magnetic, so let's check them out. I have them on both sides. I did one side with mascara first, the other side did not have mascara on when I tried them on. So let's see how I do. So now we're gonna put the lash cluster on the side without mascara. So again, this is gonna go underneath. Okay, there she is. And then I've gotta kind of clamp it and kind of pinch it at the base to make sure it's securely on there. So I have 3 little clusters on each eye. When I started, I had mascara on this side and not mascara on this side. So I just kind of want to see what happens now if we want to add mascara afterwards. But I think what's best for application purposes is to put on a coat of mascara and then stick the lashes on. I think they look really great. It took me much longer than it did to do a strip lash on myself, but not as much time as individuals. I think it's a little bit harder depending on your eye shape to customize the clusters, but overall, I think it was really fun to try and you should give it a go as well. All right, guys, thanks a lot, bye.